Gems, the preciousness that transcends time. Regardless of how many eras have passed, the magnificence of gems never diminishes. Thai people have been proficient in creating precious gems. Since ancient times, Thai gems were sent as tributes to develop good relations with foreign countries. Gems from Thailand, therefore, serve as spectacular splendors that attract the attention of people around the world, while creating an unmatched reputation for Thailand as Suvarnabhumi, the land of gold and gems. Gems Gallery intends to collect local wisdom heritage from ancient times and combine with craftsmanship and innovation to produce unique products from all regions of Thailand. Our gems are meticulously displayed in the high jewelry boutique area that has become a well-known landmark of Thailand. We look forward to being an excellent service provider to customers and visitors from all over the world. With Gems Gallery's immersive ride, which is the first and only one in Thailand. Visitors will experience a step back in history and enter the world of gems, where the world's most valuable natural minerals meet with the artistic savoir-faire of Thai craftsmanship to unveil the charismatic fine jewelry with global reputation. For over 30 years, we have never compromised on impressing our customers with excellent products and service standards and various collections for every need. We assure customers of purchasing quality products with our commitment of lifetime guarantee, a unique offer like no other. Moreover, we take confidence to the next level with certifications from government and private agencies at the highest standards in the industry. Trusted by visitors from all over the world, since 1987, Gems Gallery never ceases to develop impressive and comfortable experience for customers. Now, visitors can indulge in a unique experience of 25,000 square meters of commercial area at our galleries in many convenient locations. Plus, we offer high-standard shuttle services that prioritizes safety and hygiene. All branches of Gems Gallery are at your service. Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Phuket and Pattaya.